Filmmaking is storytelling. Filmmaking is inspiring.
Laugh out loud funny.
It is exhilarating.
Filmmaking is awesome because it makes people laugh and cry, and those are the two best emotions in the world, I think.
Film and Screen at QUT covers a wide range of production skills. You learn all the basics in terms of screenwriting, production management, cinematography, editing, distribution and producing. Also understand the theories and ideas about how film works and how the industry works too. The Film and Screen degree at QUT is quite flexible. You can curate your career by including other study areas. So if you're interested in creative writing, you could do a creative writing or drama minor just to really balance that out. You could specialise in production design, sound design, screenwriting. That really gives you an edge on the competition when you go into the job market.
There's a lot of avenues you can take. You can go down the road of becoming a specialist in something, or you can kind of hone your skills in different areas. You have the flexibility to choose, which is nice.
My study area at QUT is a double degree in advertising and film. It's placed me in a really unique position. I've been able to understand the theory of advertising and how to execute production in film work and how to connect those two things together.
In first year, you're getting the basics, you get hands-on straight away and learn how to make short film content, but then you're building upon that so that you're learning things such as multicam studio, narrative and documentary filmmaking, as well as other sorts of genres and types of filmmaking, leading up to third year where you're making more advanced productions.
We have access to a TV studio, virtual production studio, edit suites.
Virtual production is this new, very innovative production pathway in film. You can create a background that's completely out of your fantasy and put characters and actors in a completely new world of your own imagining.
I feel very well equipped and ready to go work out in the industry with that technical knowledge and experience.
I think one of the things that benefited the most from my degree here at QUT is the practical experience. They throw you into the deep end in the best possible way, and you're working with cameras and software and all of this industry standard stuff that you don't get to work with anywhere else.
QUT film graduates go on to do all sorts of things in the industry and actually outside of the industry too. The skills are transferable. Some of our graduates run their own production companies, others are working for broadcasters or they're freelancing as directors, writers, producers, cinematographers, sound designers, editors, you name it. There are people working in government, in industry, making social media content. So there are lots and lots of opportunities when you study film.